Welcome to Magnetic Mindset, guys. You ever wonder if she really loves you? I'm not talking about the words she says. Words are cheap. I'm talking about the quiet things she does when nobody is looking, the small sacrifices, the unspoken moments, the times she lets her guard down and shows you the parts of her that she hides from everyone else. Because here's the truth most men don't want to hear. A woman can smile, flirt, sleep with you, even say she loves you, and still not truly love you. But when she does, when she loves you in a way that runs deep, she reveals it in quiet, powerful ways most men never notice. This is where men mess up. They chase attention, they chase beauty, they chase performance. And because they're blind to the subtle signs of devotion, they miss the real thing. They overlook the woman who is quietly giving them everything while chasing the one giving them only a show. But if you understand the psychology of love, if you can recognize these quiet signals, you'll never be confused again about where you stand. So listen closely, because I'm about to give you the blueprint. These are the things a woman only does for the man she truly loves. Some of these might shock you. Some will feel familiar in a way that gives you goosebumps. And if you've ever doubted yourself, ever questioned whether she really sees your worth, the next few minutes will open your eyes. This is about fantasy. This is about reality. A woman who truly loves you will let you see the side of her, the bird that she hides from the world. In the beginning, every woman is performing a little. Her hair is perfect. Her laugh is a little higher. Her walk is a little slower. She's carefully showing you the version of herself she wants you to see. But when she falls in love, that performance starts to fade. She stops hiding her messy mornings, her unfiltered thoughts, her little insecurities. She'll cry in front of you, not because she's weak, but because she finally fails where most enough to be soft. And here's where most men fail. They get uncomfortable when that moment comes. They joke, they pull away, they try to fix her feelings because they think love is about solutions. It's not. Real love is about presence. A stoic man, a grounded man doesn't flinch. He doesn't panic when her emotions come up. He doesn't tell her she's too much. He simply stays there, listens, holds space, because he understands that this moment is sacred. She's handing you a piece of herself that no one else gets to see. And if you've ever been with a woman who let her mask drop for you, who stopped performing and just was, you already know that it's one of the most intimate things in the world. That is emotional nakedness. And if you recognize it, if you receive it with calm and respect, her love for you will only grow deeper. A woman in love also gives without keeping score. She doesn't operate on transactions anymore. Most relationships in today's world are built on trade. You do this, I do that. You pay for dinner, I give you my time. That's not love. That's negotiation. But a woman who loves you deeply gives freely. She gives because she wants you to have, not because she wants something in return. You'll see it in the little things. She remembers that snack you love and brings it without asking. She notices when you're tired and gives you space, even if she misses you. She supports your goals even when they don't directly benefit her. She's not trying to score points. She's not trying to trap you. She's giving because her heart is open. She's giving because her heart is open. And let me tell you, this is rare, because real giving always comes with risk. When she gives like this, she's putting herself in a vulnerable position. She's saying, I trust you not to take me for granted. And how you respond to that gift determines everything. A weak man will ignore it. A distracted man will take it as normal. But a man who understands women, a man with a magnetic mindset, will see it for what it is. Devotion in its purest form. Here's another sign most men overlook. Her tone changes around you. A woman can be sharp with the world, confident, even dominant. But if she loves you, her voice softens when she's speaking to you. Her energy shifts from defense to intimacy. She isn't performing, she isn't fighting, she's connecting. That soft tone is her way of telling you, without words, you are my safe place. And that's the thing about love that men with experience understand. Women don't soften for vulnerable they don't trust. They don't become vulnerable with men they're using. They only open that side of themselves for the man whose energy feels safe. If you've ever had a woman lower her voice and speak to you like the rest of the world disappeared, that wasn't random. That was her heart speaking. When a woman loves you, she will also invite you into her private world, the rituals and habits she doesn't share with anyone else. Maybe it's the tea she makes every night before bed. Maybe it's the playlist she listens to when she's sad. Maybe it's the sunrise walk she takes barefoot on her balcony. These are the sacred little things that keep her grounded. And when she lets you in, when she shares those intimate parts of her world, she's giving you access to her soul. Most men miss this. They think it's just a quirk or a random habit. But a man with awareness understands that this is her saying, I trust you with the part of me I never perform for anyone else. And if you honor that moment, if you simply stay present without trying to make it about you, you'll find yourself in the kind of connection that can't be faked. Now let's talk about something men either fear or misunderstand: the test. When a woman truly loves you, she will test you. She might go quiet. She might tease, she might stir the waters, just to see how you respond. And this isn't because she wants to destroy the relationship. It's because she wants to trust it. She wants to know you're steady. She wants to feel that you won't crumble when life isn't easy. This is where most men fail. They chase, they panic, they over-explain, they collapse under emotional pressure. But the man who can remain calm, who can hold his frame without reacting, becomes unforgettable. He becomes the anchor she didn't even realize she was searching for. A woman in love will also protect your name when you're not around. This is one of the most powerful and quiet signs of devotion. She won't turn you into a joke with her friends. She won't throw you under the bus for attention. She will honor your name because your name represents her choice. And when she defends you in rooms you're not in, that is love in action. That is loyalty most men will never experience. And finally, she craves your calm, not your noise, not your constant availability. Your calm, your grounded masculine energy that tells her, you're safe here. The world is chaos. Her mind can be chaos. But when she's around a man who doesn't flinch, who doesn't get dragged into the storm, she feels something most women never get to feel: peace. And peace is the most addictive form of love there is. So, if you've ever wondered what real love looks like, it's not in the big Instagram gestures. It's not in the dramatic I love yous. It's in the quiet signs, the soft voice, the unseen giving, the private rituals, the calm she leans into. And if you're lucky enough to experience a woman who loves you like this, honor it, respect it. Because this is the kind of love that men spend their whole lives chasing and never find. And if you want to keep attracting this kind of energy into your life, start with yourself. Become the man who can hold space, the man who doesn't flinch, the man who doesn't chase attention because he knows his value. When you do that, love stops being confusing. If this video hit home for you, if you're ready to master yourself and your relationships, make sure you subscribe to Magnetic Mindset right now. This is where men come to grow stronger, wiser, and untouchable in the modern dating world. hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and I'll see you in the next video.